We often talk about community. We're all in this together. I see posters in schools on a regular basis, and it's all wonderful and motivating. But I want us to really think about community, giving back. We're all in this together. And have we really taught our kids or given them those experiences to actually do that? And I'm thinking about this because I was watching the news the other day. You may or may have not seen it in your travels. You always see these wonderful little stories about people giving back to others, or people volunteering, or people just making somebody's day, a stranger, on the bus or whatever. And I was thinking, gosh, what happens to us inside when we do that? Well, believe it or not, we know that when we give back to something without getting paid for it, we actually experience a really, really cool part of our brain and our body that just kind of lights up and just really stays with us for quite a while. And it can be super internally motivating. So we really want to think about teaching this to our kids by presenting those with those experiences, not something that's a special occasion all the time or something they have to earn. I remember I took my a classroom out to do some food pantry work one day, and they protested the whole way. There was about 8 of them I put in a van. We went out there and we did some work for a charitable organization, and they were like, I'm not getting paid. What am I getting for this? And boy, I had to protest the whole way there. And about 30 minutes into it, when the directors were telling them what to do and what to put in one bag and what bag here and what bag there, they were like, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, yes, sir, no, sir. And they were doing it. And on the ride home that day, there was a little change in those kids. And they asked me, when are we going to do that again? And I went, aha, if I provide them with the experiences, then they actually will have that kind of shot of internal motivation, that feel-good place in your brain. And that's what they need. So let's just not top community and how to be a community and be all in this together. Let's do it.